and your support means a lot to all of us and to the cause. Thank you so much. Would you like to say something, Alia?
No, of course. Firstly, thank you for this beautiful show. It's visually very lovely, isn't it, guys? Yeah? Y'all are being very dead on energy. Little more energy. Yes. But yeah, I think it goes without saying when Sumanji called me to be a part of this occasion. I think it was about 2 months ago, very much in advance. And I think at that moment itself, I said, yes, of course, I will be there. I will support the cause, because who wouldn't support pediatric care in any way? I want to, firstly, I just was told by her that this is a Rotary that's run totally by women. So, yay to girl power. And I believe that y'all are really doing very well, since y'all are a very new Rotary. So I think, again, kudos to that. I hugely respect the Rotary immensely. Obviously, firstly, because we all know the Rotary's contribution to making the world polio free. So firstly, respect for that. I was speaking with a couple of experts, and one of the causes that came up when I asked why do children have heart problems, one thing that really stood out to me was mothers not getting sufficient nutrition during their pregnancy. So yes, firstly here, the most and important problem that we need to address is surgery. Children need surgery, children need care. And through this occasion and through this event, we're pledging for 100 children to get their surgeries. And of course, that's the first, of course. And on a preventive route, and I think when it comes to prevention, we should make sure that the mothers during their pregnancy do get the sufficient nourishment and nutrition. So yeah, that's all I have to say. Thank you for having me here today, and your show is lovely. I can't wait to see more. Thank you.
Thank you very much. And a warm round of
You've added so much value to all of us here by just your presence, and you've added so much value to the cause that we're standing for. So thank you so much for being here, and it's a great honor for me that you're wearing an Archana Kochhar today. Thank you, sir. Would you like to say a few words about
Yes, thank you very much for having me here. Good evening, everyone. You all are very kind. Thank you. First of all, I want to thank Basan, Pan Mohan, Gopal, Suman, Archana, everybody who's involved with the Rotary District, the Rotary Club, for organizing. And most of all, actually, more than them also, I want to thank all of you who participated in the charity, which is for an amazingly beautiful cause, which is pediatric surgeries, heart surgeries for little children at the Kokila Ben Hospital. And I think more than even for the children whose lives you saved and made it better, I think it's for the parents who don't know where to go, because I've been explained that there are 2-day-old children whose heart has been affected, and because of the donations, because of the charity, because of all of your participation, these kids are surviving, and inshallah they'll have the most beautiful life. So it's not just a little charity that you've done, it's not little good evening function with Archana's beautiful models and Shiloh's choreography. Thank you, Shiloh, for doing this. It has a much larger implication because it does change his life. So thank you very much, all of you, for doing this tonight, and please do continue to do as much as you can.
I request Aditi Gopal Nanalji to come forward.
So hi sir, how are you? Nice to meet you, pleasure. Thank you for having me over here. I will speak a little more, but I've got a few marriage proposals here tonight. It's I come for. So this is just a joke. So I hope nobody makes it and takes it out of context. But matters of the heart, I believe in. So apart from the pediatric heart surgeries that this organization is doing, there are young girls who need their heart to be looked after. So I have to do that tonight. But all in all, I mean, I'm here only, I'm just extremely fortunate that this whole organization, everyone, and especially Basant, who's followed me and called me from Delhi, the whole team here, all of you, no, thank you. All of you insisted I be here because in my line of work, when I work there, which I just want to tell you, I'm going back to shooting now, I work around the clock. It takes a lot of work to look as sexy as I do younger. So I go back to work, I hardly get chances or opportunities to participate in events, functions, charities, or the work, this beautiful work that all of you have participated in. So I thank you from the bottom of my heart, the Rotary District, the Rotary Club, the Divas organization, and a lot of names you guys have because lots of you have gotten together. Sorry if I missed some of them. But thank you for having me here tonight, and thank you all of you to be here, all the young girls who model on stage, the choreographers, Archana. It's nice wearing you, you smell good there. But thank you very much. Jokes apart, thank you very much for having me over here. I understand this completely well.
Friends, I am happy to announce, because of the gracious presence of Badshah of Bollywood, Shah Rukh Khan, we have been able to raise 30 lakhs rupees for the pediatric heart surgery. Rajendra Agarwal, 5 lakhs rupees. Arjun Munda, 5 lakhs rupees. Sanjay Jalan, 10 lakhs rupees. Ratan Polar, 5 lakhs rupees. Anybody wants to declare, and I would invite in a minute to shake hands with Shah Rukh Khan. Anybody claiming 5 lakhs rupees now? Anybody? 1, 2, 3.
He's selling me cheap tonight here.
Raise to 10 lakhs rupees now. Anyone? Come forward. 10 lakhs rupees. Please come. Jagdal from 5 lakhs to 10 lakhs rupees. Rajendra Agarwal, Arjun Munda. And now the collection goes to 40 lakhs rupees right now. Anybody more? Thank you so much. Sir, your presence make a difference. More than 100 children will be operated by just your sheer presence. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Thank you everybody. Have a good evening. Enjoy yourselves. Thank you for having me over. We can have a public marriage. We'll do it later. Thank you very much everyone. Have a good night.
Ladies and gentlemen, let's hear it for the Badshah of Bollywood, Shah Rukh Khan, and all the wonderful team around him, the wonderful donors, the benefactors of this cause, and the wonderful Rotarians who have come together along with various supporters to bring you.
I would like to invite Arya, little Arya on stage. She's penned down a beautiful book of poems. She's written that book. I would like
बहुत खुश हूँ क्योंकि सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट कि हम जो कॉज से जुड़े हैं वो इतना ब्यूटीफुल है और आज इस शो के जरिए हमने 100 हार्ट सर्जरीज के लिए पैसे रेज किए हैं एंड आई थिंक दैट इज सच अ ब्यूटीफुल स्टार्ट टू 2017 और उससे भी ज़्यादा खुशी है कि मैं रोटरी के साथ जुड़ी हूँ ऐसे खूबसूरत लोगों के साथ और द मोस्ट ब्यूटीफुल निशा हैज जस्ट वॉक्ड फॉर मी वेयरिंग माई गाउन एंड शी इज लुकिंग so beautiful. So it's a beautiful start to 2017. Very, very happy and excited about it. मेरे लिए हिंदी इंग्लिश क्या बोलूँ मैं एसोसिएटेड हूँ इस ऑर्गेनाइजेशन के साथ विच इज़ कॉल्ड टचिंग लिटिल हार्ट्स और हम लोग काफ़ी चीज़ें करते रहते हैं. आई थिंक इन टोटल वी आर लुकिंग एट ओवर 500 सर्जरीज फॉर किड्स अंडर 16 एंड बस आज एक शो के थ्रू हमने आई थिंक 100 सर्जरीज कवर की है एंड आई एम रियली थैंकफुल टू रोटरी क्लब एंड अग्रवाल सिविलियन एंड आवर स्पॉन्सर्स हियर कि इन लोगों ने इतना कुछ किया बिकॉज दे आर द वंस हु नीडेड एंड हम लोग अपनी तरफ से जितना कर सकते हैं. इट्स अ लवली फीलिंग व्हेन यू नो यू आर वॉकिंग एंड आई थिंक मेरे लिए सबसे अच्छी चीज़ वो थी कि आई वॉक विद दीस टू लिटिल गर्ल्स who were dressed exactly like how I was dressed and they had this smile on their face and मुझे otherwise अगर ये मौका नहीं मिलता तो I don't think मैं कभी नहीं मिल पाती. But I mean I'm grateful to God. जी जी मेरा बस ये कहना है कि अगर आपको लगता है कि एक सिंपल सी बात है 3 साल की बच्ची का भी रेप होता है 4 साल की बच्ची का भी रेप होता है 80 साल की महिला का भी मैं पढ़ी थी सोनीपत में मर्डर बहुत बुरी तरह से हुआ है एंड सेक्सुअल मोलेस्टेशन के साथ हुआ उनका मर्डर. तो अगर आपको लगता है कि जैसे कपड़े वो पहनते हैं उस वजह से भी होता है तो फिर आई थिंक आपकी सोच में कुछ प्रॉब्लम है. एब्सोल्युटली I think मैं बस एक just to make our country safer for women and हर चीज़ पे औरत को जो आप ब्लेम करते हैं अगर हम रात को अकेले बाहर जा रहे हैं तो आप लोग ब्लेम कर देते हैं कि अगर हमारे साथ कुछ हुआ है वो हमारी गलती है. अगर मतलब मैं अभी जो हालात हो रहे हैं मैं उसी के हिसाब से बस बोल रही हूँ. कुछ भी होता है तो हमेशा औरत पे ब्लेम करता है. हमारे घर के अंदर भी कोई घुस के अगर रेप होता है या मोलेस्टेशन होती है वो भी हम पे ब्लेम करता है. तो आई थिंक आप हमें थोड़ा ब्लेम करना छोड़े यार. अगर आप अपने आप को सुधारेंगे अपने बच्चों को बचपन से सिखाएंगे कि औरत की इज्जत करना चाहिए एंड इक्वल है तो फिर मुझे या हम जितने भी लोग इन्वॉल्व है कि इक्वल दर्जा मिले औरत को आदमियों की तरह. आई डोंट थिंक हमें फिर उसके लिए फाइट करना पड़ेगा जो हमें अभी तक करना पड़ रहा है. उसी वजह से चाहे वो मीडिया हो चाहे वो एज एक्टर्स हो चाहे ऑफिस में हो हम लोग हमेशा फाइट करते रहते हैं कि वुमेन इक्वालिटी लाइक जेंडर इक्वालिटी. तो आई थिंक अगर आप अपने बच्चों को सही चीज़ें सिखाएं तो इसमें नौबत नहीं आएगी. लास्ट क्वेश्चन.
Every model or every actress has their own style, something which is very unique. What is something about Isha, what you like about her and does she walk the rabbit?
She's gorgeous, she's ravishing, absolutely, and also she carries the clothes with a lot of, I think what makes a garment look really nice is not only the garment but the attitude with which you carry it, and I think she has a perfect fashionista attitude.
How sweet. I think it's the outfit as well which was beautiful and it fits me to the T.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you so much, everyone. Thank you so much, Isha.